Yes, it is a big day. Do you have your shoes?
Look! Look! My shoes are on my feet! Huh?
I want to take many photos of the animals.
Wow, look at that! That's amazing!
Isn't this view just amazing?
It's absolutely breathtaking.
I knew you'd love it.
Look! Look! I see a lion on that sign.
We are almost there. Look at that, the big gate.
All right, here we are.
Oh, wow!
Wow, it's amazing.
Let's go in.
I can't wait.
3 tickets, please.
I have the map. Where do we go first? Look, here we are on the map. Wow, it's so big. And our destination is right here. Let's go.
Let's go this way to see the tall animals.
Wait for us. Do not run too fast.
I'm so glad we came here.
Me too, it's perfect.
Look, a butterfly.
Wow. Haha, look up there. Do you see them?
Wow! Their necks are so long.
Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world.
Wow! That's the tallest giraffe I've ever seen. It's huge.
Hey, you are not a giraffe, but you are growing fast.
Its tongue is blue. That is so silly.
The sign says they eat for many hours every day.
They are very gentle animals.
Goodbye, tall friend.
Let's see the lions next. They are over there.
Daddy, wait for me. I'm coming with you. I'm so glad we could come here today. Me too. This place is amazing. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful.
Come on, the lions are waiting.
Ah, wow. Oh no, that's too loud. Is it coming closer? I have to go.
It is okay. The lions are behind the fence. They're just saying hello.
He is the king of the zoo. He looks very strong.
Huh. He is very big. Is he sleeping?
Look, there is the mother lion. She is resting in the grass.
Roar! Roar! I am a lion too.
That is a very good roar.
He is getting up. Look!
The lions are beautiful, but I am getting hungry.
I am hungry too. Can we eat lunch?
Hi. Let's find a table under that big tree.
Looks like everything's ready to eat.
That looks delicious, honey.
Can I have the biggest piece?
Here are the sandwiches. One for everyone.
This is very good.
It is a hot day. Drink your water.
Ah, that's good. Let's see the lions. Look. A little bird wants my bread.
We should not feed the birds here. It is for them to find their own food.
Okay, Daddy, I understand.
All finished. Now, who wants ice cream?
Ah! Me! I want chocolate ice cream. Look, there it is.
Oh wow, it's so colorful.
Ice cream, ice cream.
1 chocolate, 1 vanilla, and 1 strawberry, please.
This is very cold and sweet.
This is so good.
Strawberry is my favorite.
Giggle! So good. Oh, yay! Yay!
You have chocolate on your face, little lion.
Look at the size of that giraffe.
Oh, wow, it's huge.
Can we see the monkeys next?
Look at them go. They are very fast.
That monkey has a snack. He likes bananas.
They are very smart animals. They look like they are playing a game.
Ha! Hell. Am I a monkey now?
You are a very funny monkey.
Look at the tiny baby. It is so small.
The mother takes good care of her baby.
Cheese. This is the best zoo ever.
The birds are in the big glass house. Shall we go?
Yes, let's see the colors of the birds.
Keep up, we're almost there. Coming, just admiring the zoo.
Isn't this place just incredible?
very warm in here. And so many trees.
Look at those colors. Red, blue, and yellow.
Hello, bird. Can you talk? Hello! He said hello. Did you hear that?
Parrots are very good at repeating words.
Be careful. Don't fall into the water.
That bird has a very long tail. It is green like the leaves.
Look, there it goes. Wow. That's amazing.
Look! A blue feather. Can I keep it?
No, let's leave it here for the birds. We have our photos.
Okay, Daddy. The bird might need it.
It is almost time for the zoo to close.
Already? But I want to stay.
We can come back another day. We saw so many things today.
I liked the giraffes best. And the monkeys.
Let's get one small toy to remember the zoo.
Look! A little lion for me. Roar!
Here's my ticket. Enjoy your day.
That was the best day ever.
It sure was, sweetie. Let's come back soon.
He is so tired. It was a long day.
All buckled in, champ. Ready to go?
Yeah, ready. That was the best day ever. It really was.
We come back tomorrow?